Hello everyone, I am Rika Marasis Kidilia, and for today's video, we're going to exploring the revolutionary ideas of John Dewey, a philosopher whose impact on education is still felt today. For root learning and passive listening, Dewey championed a dynamic hands-on approach to education that's more relevant than ever. John Dewey philosophy of education profoundly impact how we think about what should be taught and how learners should be taught. He rejected traditional passive learning methods in favor of a dynamic experiential approach. What should be taught? John Dewey believed the curriculum should be relevant to students' lives are experiencing, fostering their growth and development. He didn't advocate for abandoning traditional subjects entirely but emphasized integrating them with students' interest and real-world application. The focus should be on developing first problem-solving skills, equipping students to tackle real-world challenges, emphasizing critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. Second is relevant knowledge, connecting learning to student lives and experiences, possibly through local issues, community projects, or interdisciplinary approaches. Last but not the least is social responsibility, cultivating civic and engagement and sense of social responsibility, preparing students for active participation in democratic society. How learners should be taught. Dewey championed active learning, moving away from the passive banking model where teachers simply deposit information into students' minds as approach emphasizing. First is inquiry-based learning, encouraging students to ask questions, investigate, and discover knowledge for themselves. Second is collaboration and discussion, recognizing learners as recognizing learning rather as a social progress or social process emphasizing group work, discussions, and peer learning. Third is reflections. Students should regularly reflect on their experiences, analyzing what they've learned and how they can apply it. Last but not the least is the teacher as a facilitator. The teacher roles shift from a sage on stage to guide and facilitator, supporting student independently inquiry. So, ang teachers is mauna siyang facilitator sa classroom, and also the learners is mauna sila ang mauna sila ang kanang magsunod sa itudlo sa teacher, or mag-facilitate lang jud ang teacher sa mga student how to learn and how to develop their critical thinking. Because John Dewey said education is not preparation for life, education life itself. That's all. Thank you.